In today's video, I am just going to have a go at making a beat using only the Playbox library that came with Komplete. Here we go. I want to drop the BPM in Logic down to 88. So one of the first ones I really liked was this At the Opera. It's just a pretty short sample, but Playbox adds all kinds of fun and games to it. I think that can loop over pretty nicely. What I want to do now is get some drums in, so I've got something else to work with. So I'm just going to duplicate this channel. There's only these three. But the drip drums are pretty nice. So I feel like it needs something else to come in after that sort of vocal sample intro. So let's find something that might work. So where this sounds like it might work, it isn't really working for me. So we can just hit this and jumble up the samples. So here's a playthrough of a little 4-bar intro and then 16 bars of a beat made entirely with Playbox. Super interesting library. If you picked up the recent Komplete update and happen to have it and haven't tried it out yet, like, have a listen through it. It's got some incredible sounds. It's super flexible in what you can do with it as well, as in, like, all the samples you can actually open up and go a lot deeper and put all your own sample combinations in and then do all your own effects combinations as well. So I've just flicked through some real basic stuff today and put that together. I'm going to be having lots and lots of fun with this. I hope that was helpful for you, and I look forward to seeing you in a future video. Take care.